everyone, welcome to the online tutorial for Vidya Hormone Higher Secondary School. Today my topic is worksheet for class 10 second unit test, and I have done till last chapter's question answers till the question number 12 I have done in my previous video, and in today's video I'll start with question number 13. So let's not waste the time and get started with the question number 13. Question number 13 is being stated that show with the help of a cross how first law of Mendel is deviated in case of 4 o'clock plant in F2 generation. What is the first law of Mendel? Law of segregation, right? And this law is being derived from which cross? From the monohybrid cross, right? Now we have to see that we have to show the deviation of this monohybrid cross. What is the deviation of the monohybrid cross? That is the incomplete dominance in case of 4 o'clock plant. We have to do just the incomplete dominance cross. So this is our P generation, red colored flower crossed with white colored flower, gametes. Being intercrossed. This is the F1 generation, right? Now we will do the checkerboard. So we are getting over here one pure red flower, one pure white flower. Okay, these two should be hybrid red, but the color changes to pink over here. So mixing of the dominant and recessive character is being expressed. So over here the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Why 1? 1 for 1 red, 2 for 2 pink, and this 1 for 1 pure white. And here genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. Why? 1 for capital R, 2 for capital R smaller, and this 1 for smaller. So phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio. So this entire cross you have to show. Okay, next. Number 14. Different genotypes produce the same phenotype. Justify the answer. Okay, now we will see. Let's give the example. Tallness. Right? Is being expressed in capital T. So if I'll write, suppose capital T and small t are given. So will it show the tallness? Obviously it will show the tallness because this T is the dominant character and dominant will express itself, right? So obviously it will show the tallness. But see, this genotype and this genotype are different, but both of them are expressing the same phenotype, that is the tallness. So you have to give this example or write this example as your answer, and then you have to justify the answer. That is, yes, different genotypes may express the same phenotype. Just like example, the phenotype tallness is expressed by both of these genotype. And the capital T is, as it is the dominating character, so it is expressing itself with in association with the recessive one. So that is why different genotype is expressing or can express the same phenotype. Got it? Next, number 15. Give 2 examples of variation in man. Attached earlobe, roller tongue. So these are the examples of variation. Name the types of colored blind. What are the 2 types? Proton and deuton. Okay, only the names you have to write. Write the cause of hemophilia and thalassemia. Thalassemia cause defective chromosome number 16 and 11. And hemophilia is due to the absence of the factor 8 and 9. Got it? Next, write the opposite traits for pea plant. See, I have given 7 contrasting characters for pea plant in your book. There is a chart. I have told you to memorize it thoroughly. That chart only you have to write. All those 7 contrasting characters you have to write. Okay, not all the 7. Write at least two characters, 2 opposite or 2 contrasting characters you write. Okay, next, what is mutation? What is mutation? I think the definition is given, though I am telling you, any change in a particular point of a chromosome or of a gene that leads to the change or visible characteristic change in the organism, that change is known as, that change in the chromosome is known as the mutation. Okay, now next question, number 20, that how does mutation is different from variation? Mutation means any change in a chromosome, in a particular place of the chromosome, and variation means varieties. Okay, there is no sudden change in a particular chromosome. There is variety. One chromosome of one person obviously different from the person's chromosome. Okay, so variation means varieties. Mutation means any sudden particular change in a chromosome. Got it? Next, number 21. What do you mean by Mendelian error? Mendelian error means Mendel has stated two laws, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. The crosses or the genetic crosses which are not followed or which are not following these Mendelian laws, or whose results or whose outcomes are not following these laws, those are termed as the Mendelian error. Example, incomplete dominance of Mirabilis jalapa. Okay. Number 22. When round yellow seed pea plant is crossed with wrinkled green seed pea plant, what will be the genotype of F1 generation? That means till F1 generation you have to do. And in dihybrid cross, what will be the phenotypic ratio in F2 generation? That means you have to do till the entire cross, okay, but you have to write only the phenotypic ratio of the F2 generation, and you have to write the genotype of the F1 generation. What? So round yellow means this one, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y, and wrinkled green is this one. So what is coming? Right? So this is the genotype of the F1 generation. Now you will take out 4 gametes from here, right? And after taking out the 4 gametes, you will do the checkerboard, right? After doing the checkerboard, we generally write both the phenotypic and the genotypic ratio. But over here, you have to write only the phenotypic ratio, not the genotypic ratio. Understood? Next question. About 8% of the human male population suffers from color blindness, whereas about 0.4% of the human female population suffers from this disease. Write an explanation to show how it is possible. This is nothing. That question I have given now, that the males are more prone to the color blindness disease. Why? Because the males are having only one set of X chromosome, whereas the females are having 2 sets of X chromosome. That is, if one X chromosome of the female is getting defected, there is another one to support it or to carry out the normal functions. But there is only one X chromosome in case of male. They are not having any extra X chromosome. That is, whenever their X chromosome is getting affected, there is no extra. So that is why they got affected. They do not become the carrier. Okay. Next question, 24. Prove Mendelian error with the help of a cross along with phenotypic and genotypic ratio. That is, in this question you have to show the answer of the cross of the incomplete dominance along with the phenotypic and the genotypic ratio. Okay, incomplete dominance cross. Write one symptom of each of hemophilia, thalassemia and color blindness. Hemophilia means excessive blood loss. Okay. Thalassemia symptom is enlargement of liver, enlargement of spleen. Okay. And color blindness symptom is, it is the cone cells of the eye of the persons fail to distinguish the red and the green color. So these are the things, or these are the questions that I have discussed from your worksheet. The worksheet portion is over. Now let us get started with the book questions. As I am doing with the genetics part, so at first I will try to solve the genetics portion from the book. Okay, then we will shift to the continuity of life. So here the exercise is my page number is 143 for heredity and common genetic diseases. But in case of your book, I don't know what will be the page number because mine is the old version book. So please try to find it. So I'll first go with the MCQ portions. Number 1, the term genetics was coined by obviously Bateson. Number C. Number 2, the science which deals with the study of inheritance of character is genetics. It is also option C. Number 3, who is the father of modern genetics? Obviously Mendel. Number D. Number 4, a monohybrid cross is the one in which the option will be B. A single pair of contrasting character is considered for the genetic results. Okay. Number 5, Mendel was born in Hesendorf, that is in Germany. Okay. Hesendorf in Germany. Number 6, Mendel selected pea as material for his experiments because option will be all of the above. That is, it is an annual plant with comparatively short life cycle. The flowers are self-pollinated. The number of seeds produced is quite large. So all the above will be the answer. Number 7, one of the following did not constitute the 7 contrasting pairs of characters noticed by Mendel in pea plant. The answer will be number B, shape of the leaves. Shape of the leaves was not there. Okay, everything else was there. Number 8, if we make a cross between a white guinea pig and a black guinea pig, where black is the dominant character and white is a recessive character, then what will be the character of the next generation? Obviously, it will be hybrid black. Number 9, the functional carrier and vector of heredity is gene. Number 10, gene is present in chromosome. Got it? So till number 10 we are keeping it. Okay. In my next video I'll continue with the exercise questions. Okay. So till then you people please follow the videos, and if you are having any problem then do let me know. So thank you.